Hello viewers, today is our topic about how to add a module in library. So let's get in. Click on Enable Visual Builder. When the page is loaded, please like and subscribe my videos and click the bell icon for the next video. Now the page is loaded. Okay. Now we want to add this title and this description for other section. You can simply go to this icon, save row to library, or you want to this entire section and the library, or you want a particular module in the library. So I want this row for the next section. Okay, so click on the this icon. You can see this is the library option. You can make it a global or you can make it a single. Okay, I name it this layout a title or section. Okay, click on save. Now let's save in the library. Click on save. Now we learn about how to add this title and this description to add it in a new page or a new section. Okay, exit the visual builder and I am going for the test page slash test page 2. Click on it. Now enable the visual builder. Delete this row. I don't want this row. Okay, I am adding from the library. So add from the library. You can see this is my title for this section. Okay, when I click on it, the same title and description goes here. You can edit it and okay, then we want another module to be added to library as a global module. Okay, so this is a description. I I name it as subtitle. Okay, and click on the global item and save the library. Save it to library. Now you can add it in a new row. Here you can see the global module. Click on the click on it and you can see this is the global module, and also this one is a global module. If we change anything in the global module, all the global modules will change this that thing. Okay, so we want to change it like this. Hello Okay, click on it. You can see when I change this, this one module automatically change. Okay, thank you.